AI will impact everything. So for example, you could be a radiologist. If you think about 5 to 10 years from now, you're going to have an AI collaborator with you. It may triage. You come in the morning, let's say you have 100 things to go through. It may say these are the most serious cases you need to look at first.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of our society, transforming how we live, work, and interact with technology. This video will explore how AI is revolutionizing different industries and bringing about a paradigm shift. So let's get started. A paradigm shift is a fundamental change in the way we think about something. And in the case of artificial intelligence, we're seeing a shift from thinking of AI as a tool to be used by humans to thinking of AI as a partner that can work alongside us to solve problems. Let's start by defining artificial intelligence before we get into the paradigm shift. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with creating intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and problem-solving. Its ability to learn from data, adapt, and improve over time without explicit programming sets AI apart. AI has been around for decades, but only in recent years have we seen the technology take off. This is due to a number of factors, including the increasing availability of data, the development of powerful computing hardware, and the advancement of machine learning algorithms. So, how is AI making a paradigm shift? Well, there are a number of ways. First, AI is becoming increasingly capable of doing things that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. For example, AI can now beat humans at games like Go and chess, and it's being used to develop self-driving cars and medical diagnostic tools. Second, AI is becoming increasingly affordable and accessible. This means that it's no longer just a preserve of large companies and research labs. Anyone with a computer can now use AI to solve problems. Third, AI is becoming increasingly collaborative. In the past, AI was often seen as a threat to human jobs, but now we're starting to see AI and humans working together as partners. For example, AI can be used to automate tedious or dangerous tasks for humans, freeing humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. Now, let's explore some of the significant areas where AI is making a profound impact. Healthcare. AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry by enabling early detection and diagnosis of diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and assisting in complex surgeries. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and make accurate predictions, leading to better treatment plans and improved patient care. AI-powered healthcare systems can streamline administrative tasks such as managing electronic health records and automating patient scheduling. This allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care and spend less time on paperwork, ultimately enhancing the overall efficiency of healthcare delivery. Transportation. AI is transforming the way we commute. Self-driving cars powered by AI are becoming a reality, promising enhanced road safety and efficiency. AI algorithms can analyze traffic patterns, optimize routes, and reduce congestion, making transportation faster and more eco-friendly. AI enables the development of intelligent transportation systems that can communicate with each other, leading to coordinated traffic management and a smoother flow of vehicles. Integrating AI into transportation can create a more sustainable and interconnected network that optimizes resource utilization and reduces carbon emissions. Education. AI is reshaping the education landscape by personalizing learning experiences. Intelligent tutoring systems can adapt to individual student needs, providing tailored instruction and feedback. AI-powered chatbots are also being used to enhance student engagement and support. It is facilitating data-driven insights into student performance and learning patterns. This allows educators to identify areas where students may be struggling and provide targeted interventions. AI-powered virtual reality and augmented reality applications also enhance immersive learning experiences, making education more interactive and engaging for students. Finance. AI is revolutionizing the finance industry, from fraud detection and risk assessment to algorithmic trading. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and make accurate predictions. This leads to more efficient financial operations and better informed decision-making. AI enables the development of sophisticated chatbots and virtual assistants that can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and streamline financial services. This enhances customer customer satisfaction and improves efficiency in financial operations, reducing cost and improving overall decision-making in the industry. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer service. These intelligent systems can provide instant responses, handle repetitive tasks, and offer personalized recommendations, improving customer satisfaction and reducing response times. AI-powered sentiment analysis enables businesses to understand customer feedback and sentiment at scale, allowing them to identify areas for improvement and enhance customer experiences. With AI, companies can provide 24/7 support, personalized recommendations, and efficient self-service options, ultimately creating a seamless and satisfying customer service experience. These are just a few examples of how AI is shifting paradigm in various industries, but it doesn't stop here. AI is continuously evolving and its potential is limitless. However, with great power comes great responsibility. While AI offers tremendous benefits, ethical concerns need to be addressed. Issues such as bias in AI algorithms, privacy concerns, and the impact on jobs and the workforce must be carefully considered and regulated. So a question arises in everyone's mind. Will AI replace all human jobs? As advancements in artificial intelligence continue to accelerate, there is growing concern about the potential impact on jobs and the role of humans in various industries. However, the answer is not as straightforward as a simple yes or no. Let's delve deeper into this topic and explore the different perspectives. On one hand, AI has already started automating certain tasks and jobs. We can see it in industries like manufacturing, where robots have taken over repetitive and physically demanding tasks, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are also becoming prevalent in customer service, handling routine inquiries and providing instant responses. In these cases, AI augments human capabilities and frees time for more complex and creative tasks. But what about professions that require empathy, creativity, and critical thinking? Can AI truly replicate these human qualities? Many experts argue that while AI can perform specific tasks exceptionally well, it lacks the human touch and the ability to understand complex emotions and contexts. Jobs that involve interpersonal relationships, such as counseling, healthcare, and creative fields, rely heavily on human intuition and empathy, which are difficult for AI to replicate. Additionally, AI is a tool created by humans, and its development and implementation require human expertise. AI systems need to be trained, supervised, and constantly refined by human professionals. This presents an opportunity for collaboration between humans and AI, where both strengths can be harnessed for optimal results. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we can embrace it as a powerful tool that can augment human abilities and enhance productivity across various industries. Moreover, AI has the potential to create new job opportunities. As AI automates certain tasks, it also allows humans to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving. This shift can lead to the emergence of new roles that we might not even envision yet, just as the rise of the internet gave birth to entirely new industries and job opportunities. It is important to acknowledge that the widespread adoption of AI will likely have some disruptive effects on the job market. However, history has shown that technological advancements have consistently led to job displacement and the creation of new opportunities. As we adapt to the changing landscape, investing in education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in a world where AI is prevalent becomes crucial. Another concern is the potential for AI to outsmart humans. As AI systems become more sophisticated and capable of independent learning, there is a fear that they may surpass human intelligence and control. This raises questions about the consequences of ceding decision-making power to AI systems that may have unintended consequences or act in ways that are not aligned with human values. Furthermore, there are concerns about AI being used maliciously. As AI becomes more powerful, it could be weaponized and used for cyber attacks, surveillance, or propaganda purposes. The potential misuse of AI technology raises significant ethical and security concerns that need to be addressed to prevent unintended harm. While these concerns are valid, it's important to note that the responsibility lies with humans, not AI itself. AI is a tool created by humans, and ethical considerations and regulatory framework should guide its development and deployment. As we advance AI technology, it is essential to ensure transparency, accountability, and human oversight to mitigate the potential risks associated with its use. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial crucial for us to stay informed and actively participate in shaping its future. Understanding AI and its potential allows us to harness its power responsibly and ensure that it benefits society as a whole. So that's all for today's video on how artificial intelligence is making a big paradigm shift. We hope you found it insightful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology and its impact on our lives.